I was going to ask, a lot of people that I talk to about breast implants, they're asking about the gummy bear implants. I was just curious, what...
The gummy bear implant is an implant that is highly cohesive, meaning that you could literally take this implant and with a pair of scissors cut a pie-shaped piece of implant out of the pie, if you will. And the rest of the pie would not flow. It would not. So it's sufficiently cohesive that it's a gel like that.
Okay.
Now that implant was first created, introduced by McGann Medical, which then became Inamed, which then became Allergan Medical Corporation. And that implant was a teardrop-shaped implant, or anatomically shaped, or breast-shaped implant that was used. And that implant was known as the 410 implant, and that was the original gummy bear implant, which is currently not available. I had a lot of experience with that. I used that on over 100 patients. It's a great implant. I like it a lot. But once this clinical studies were over, once the enrollment phase of those studies was over, then the implant was no longer available for routine clinical use. So right now, I can get the implant, but it's only on limited and special circumstances until the FDA grants free and liberal use of that implant here in the United States. That implant can be obtained in other countries, which is a little bit of an embarrassment to the American plastic surgeons, because we'd like to think that we're the hottest thing out there when it comes to any kind of cosmetic surgery, and we are. But we can't have that. We don't have access to that product, which is kind of a bummer.
Yeah.
But we think that it's about to be approved. But now there is some confusion, because there are some plastic surgeons, and there is the other implant company, which is Mentor Medical Corporation, that has adopted the terminology gummy bear and has applied that to their silicone gel implants, which creates a lot of confusion. So if a patient comes in asking, do you do the gummy bear, or can you obtain gummy bear implants, there are quite a few plastic surgeons that say that they can, and they are in fact utilizing a silicone gel breast implant, but it's not the real McCoy, it's not the original gummy bear. So again, that's a situation. But you know, once the 410 or the original highly cohesive gel 410 gummy bear implant is made available, and that can happen any week now, that will really be up to speed with the rest of the cosmetic surgical world in terms of being able to do that.